Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have 2 numbers ready. Now move fast. First, decide which number will stay on WhatsApp Business and which will be secondary. Install WhatsApp Business, and if needed, regular WhatsApp on the same phone or set up an emulator/second device. Once done, verify each number separately using the SMS or call code. Make sure to complete the basic business profile for the business app so customers see correct details. Back up any existing chats before switching numbers to avoid data loss. Now configure 2 active accounts. On compatible Android phones, use dual apps or parallel apps to clone WhatsApp Business. Alternatively, create a device work profile or run a desktop emulator. Install the cloned instance and verify the second number with its code. Do not reuse the same account credentials. Then tailor each account, enable away and greeting messages, create labels for customer segmentation, and upload a catalog if you sell products. This separation keeps contacts and automation distinct and prevents message routing conflicts. Finish by testing thoroughly. Send messages to and from both numbers, confirm notification delivery, and verify chat backups work independently. If a verification code doesn't arrive, request a call and verify network/SIM status. Sometimes ported numbers or VoIP providers block SMS, so switch method or provider. If you need more reliability or multiple numbers at scale, consider WhatsApp Business API or dedicate separate devices. Remember, maintain clear profiles to avoid customer confusion and routinely check back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.